Hey you guys, what's going on? It's Emily from Living Plantfully, and today I'm here with an awesome, incredible winter fall recipe for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my tomato bisque soup with grilled cheese croutons. So let's get started. In a large saucepan, you want to add some olive oil or oil of your choice. And then to that, I'm going to be adding some diced white onions or yellow onion and some diced carrots. Go ahead and toss this around in our oil. So we're going to let our carrots and onions saute up for a few minutes until they soften up a bit and look just like this. And then we're going to add in some dried basil leaves. Toss that around as well. And then we're going to just let this cook up for just a few more minutes. Then we're going to add in our not chicken broth. So this is a vegan chicken broth that I find at my local health food store. So I added 2 cubes into a quart of water and kind of let that dissolve. So go ahead and add that into our carrots and onions, as well as 3 cans of whole peeled Roma tomatoes. Go ahead and bring our soup up to a boil, then turn it down to a simmer and cover that and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's go ahead and make our yummy grilled cheese. So I'm going to be making 2 sandwiches. So with grilled cheese, of course, you want to start by spreading some vegan butter to one side. Then you want to add your cheese. I'm just using the Daya cheddar slices. And go ahead and grill that up per usual on a pan until both sides of your grilled cheese are nice and crispy. So once that's had a few minutes to set, then you want to go ahead and cut your grilled cheeses into little cubes. And just, can we take a look at this delicious meltiness? Yum. So go ahead and cut those up, and then we're going to place those onto a parchment lined baking sheet. And this part's optional, but I like popping mine into the oven so that they can get even crispier, so they'll be like croutons. Our soup has been cooking for 30 minutes and it is ready to be pureed. So I like using an immersion blender. You can also just pour this into your blender in batches. This is just a little bit easier and creates less dishes. So I just went ahead and used my immersion blender to puree my tomato soup. So after a few minutes of pureeing, you should be left with this creamy soup just like this. And our last final steps is adding in some plant-based half and half or some cashew milk that is unsweetened and unflavored. So go ahead and stir in your choice of cream. And then last, you want to taste it and check for salt and pepper. Give that one last stir, and then we're ready to plate up our soup. Topped that with my super crispy, delicious vegan grilled cheese croutons and some fresh basil. Alright guys, and there you have my creamy tomato bisque soup with grilled cheese croutons. I absolutely love soup during the colder months. It's my favorite thing to make, favorite thing to eat. Just so cozy, there's nothing like it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Living Plantfully if you have not already, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!